is really motivating to work at a place where you feel that you're making a difference. As part of electrification, we strive for a safe, smart, and sustainable world.
I would say that people are our greatest asset. It's with the great work, engagement, and collaboration from our people that plays a key role for our success now and in the future.
We are part of electrification's smart power, and we are producing contactors, soft starters, and pilot devices, and are responsible for the value chain for safety products and arc guard system.
I really like working with ABB. I like meeting new people, and that's one of the reasons why I moved here in Sweden. The safety criteria over here is very high. So it is also important for people who work over here to feel safe, and this is what ABB gives you.
We are certified according to ISO 50001 since 2018, and we are working to become carbon dioxide neutral by 2030. We work on sustainability aspects throughout the unit, from life cycle analysis in product development to sorting waste in the workshop or office, and installing EV chargers in the parking lot for our employees.
Our success is built on teamwork, respectful environment, and empowerment of people. If we want our product to be relevant for the future, we believe we need a culture where people are the center of the why and the how we do things. That's one of the things that gives us an edge. We do set up targets, we follow up and create a drive in the pursuit of an equal and diverse workplace. We are convinced that a more even gender distribution leads to a better working environment, greater well-being and productivity.